Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you an absolutely delightful and creamy dessert that will leave your taste buds begging for more. I'm talking about mouth-watering creme caramel bread pudding, which you're surely going to love. This recipe is easier to make than you might think. With a few simple ingredients and a dash of love, you'll be impressing your friends and family with this delicious dessert in no time. So, get ready to whip up this heavenly dessert. Well then, what are we waiting for? Let's get cooking. In a small frying pan, preferably non-stick, roast the cashew nuts for 2 to 3 minutes until light brown. Put the sugar in a small non-stick frying pan and add the water and few drops of lemon juice. Heat slowly, stirring gently with a spatula until the sugar has dissolved. The base of the pan will no longer feel gritty when you run the spatula over it. Slightly increase the heat and allow the syrup to bubble. As the water is driven off, the syrup will become thicker and the bubbles on the surface will get bigger. Watch the syrup carefully, and when it starts to turn golden at the edges, stir to ensure even coloring. When the syrup has turned a rich golden caramel color, remove from heat. Decorate the cashew nuts at the bottom of the mold as per your choice. Pour the caramel over the nuts to cover the bottom of the mold. Heat 500 milliliters milk in a pan. When the milk boils, remove from heat and keep aside. Take 4 slices of bread, cut and remove the sides of the bread, then cut into small pieces. Add sugar in the lukewarm milk and mix it well. Then add half teaspoon of cardamom powder and mix it well also. Add milk and bread and soak for 30 minutes. Take 3 eggs and add little salt, whisk lightly together. Do not to whisk hard, so that it gets loads of bubbles. In a blender, put the soaked breads. Keeping your mixer on a low speed, blend it to a fine paste. Slowly pour the bread mixture into the beaten eggs and continuously stir to mix it gradually until everything is well combined. Place sieve over the caramelized mold and transfer the mixture into it through the sieve. By sieving the mixture, lot of the bubbles and also any bits of egg lumps will be removed. This is the part which will give you the smooth, silky, velvety texture, so please don't skip this process. Cover the mold with silver foil and seal the edges properly. Heat water in a container. Make sure that the water level in the container is up to 2 to 3 cm high. When the water slowly heats up, place a support at the bottom and then place the caramel mold on top of the support. Put a lid on the container and cook for 45 minutes. Once 45 minutes is up, switch off the heat and remove from the stove and leave as it is with the foil over it until it cools. The caramel will still be cooking gently. When it completely cools down, remove the foil, check by inserting a knife and keep in the fridge for 3 to 4 hours. When it's ready to be served, use a thin-bladed sharp knife and run the blade around the sides of the mold, taking care not to wobble or slip with the knife. This might damage the set pudding inside. Take a plate and place over the top of the mold, and holding both the plate and the mold, turn upside down so the plate is on the table. Gently lift the mold. Silky, creamy and velvety creme caramel bread pudding is ready to be enjoyed with family and friends. Thank you for watching my channel. I hope you have enjoyed this episode. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I truly appreciate your support. I will be back soon with another authentic and delicious recipe. Until then, take care and bye for now.